What's up, guys? Check out this 2-pack animal saving escape ramp. These are for the pool, so if little critters fall into your pool, they could escape and get out of the pool safely so that they're not gonna die in the pool. So it's a 2-pack. It comes with these inflatables, but I definitely recommend that you put the inflatable in the net before you inflate it, because we made the mistake of blowing it up before and it doesn't fit in because it's too big blown up. So you need to undo the Velcro, put it into here, and then pump it up. And that's gonna make the nice flotation device for your ramp. These are gonna go on the outside of the pool so that the animal can climb up the bridge and escape out. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the pool to show you guys what it looks like. It also comes with a pump to blow these up, which is very nice. All right, so we'll go check it out right now. All right, guys, so we have it in the pool right now. Very easy to use, just blow it up, put it in the pool. The animals could crawl up this net and then up the flotation device and then out the bridge. This especially works if you have a high gap between the water and the edge of the pool. The only bad thing about it is it didn't come with a bean bag or anything to hold this part of the ramp down. So we had to find our own kind of like weight to put in there. So you might have to do that on your own because that's not included with what it comes with. So the animals can crawl up the net, crawl up here, come out the bridge, and safely escape the pool.